Hello friend, my name is Shyam Rathore, and in this video we will understand the procedure of import and export handled by the head office. Okay, so how the head office will control the import and export activity in the plants. So for example, a company, MNC company, its head office located in the Gurgaon, but its plant are located at different location of the India. So how this procedure will control import and export, so we will understand in this video. So for example, the company opened a new plant, a plant set up in a Gujarat. Okay, so starting at initial level, there are new machines need to import from overseas. Okay, and some other machines which available in domestic can be utilized. So the procedures is controlled by the head office, just like a machine required for manufacturing. So related to this, the purchase team prepare the purchase order to buy a machine. So in this case, purchase team, head of the purchase team at the head office will prepare the same and send this purchase order to the shipper countries from where we want to buy the machine. Okay, in same way, any other plants, any kind of requirement after the setup plant, and any machine type and a spare part and raw material, any kind of things require, in that case, head office will handle the import and export activity, just like any companies manufactures bike. Okay, so related the bike, some raw materials required. So if we not available in India, then it need to be import from other countries. So the the import activity handled by the head office in such way, like preparing the purchase order and contact with the buyer and import the goods by appointing his custom house agent and freight forwarders. Okay, so then in such way the goods will imported at the respective plant. Okay, then in case of export, the goods which are ready are for the domestic, at the domestic level only. But in case we send some sample to overseas for selling. Okay, if our goods sample is uh, approved by the international buyer, then they send us the purchase order. Same way, just we have sent purchase order for importing some goods, so they send the purchase order to us that we need this good as this quantity. Okay, so head office will handle the activity, like once receive the purchase order, we prepare the performa invoice regarding the rate and payment term. Okay, incoterm payment terms and the port of loading and port of discharge, all the thing we mentioned. Okay, then we send this performa invoice to the our importers. Okay, our customer. Okay, so customer will check and verify and approve it, then send back to us that we are then they mention in the document that we are agreed to pay on that rate, and we are going to import the shipment in this quantity, all the thing mentioned in the pro forma invoice. After that plant after that plant, we will send this requirement of the good to the production team at the respective plant where this manufacturing is going on. Okay, so our production team will prepare the goods as per requirement. Then we, as a head office, we will planning for the dispatch. Okay. Okay, so how this process happen? Just like a we inform to our CHA by providing the commercial invoice that we require the container for export procedure. Then our CHA will send empty container to the factory for the dispatch the good. Okay, so we are sitting in the head office, but the activities handle towards the plants from the head office. So it may be that the CHA which is nearest to the plant, we will contact that CHA. Okay, the facility is available near plant to we will contact that CHA. Okay, just like our factory in the Gujarat, so we will contact to CHA which is facility provide at the near Gujarat, so the custom clearance process will be done smoothly. Okay, after that we are just our goods are packed and stuffed in the container. Now the procedures uh, for the sealing the container. So as per the authorized sale certificate sealing permissions granted by the government, we seal the container and send for the examinations through our CHA, and our CHA will help and present the document at the examination time. Okay, and in this way the procedure will done. So uh, then after examination, our shipment sell out by the ship, and we receive the document against that shipment, just like a bill of lading, shipping bill, and other extra documents which require for the shipments. We prepare the set of the documents, and we submit this document to the bank for getting foreign currency against that shipment. Okay, so in this way the procedure will handle. So the banking activity also handled by the head office. Okay, just like how this procedure happen. Just shipment has done from the plant at the Gujarat level, and the CHA will send to us the document by courier that shipment has been dispatched and original bill of lading, and these are the document, these are this. But sometimes is that the shipping line office is available near the our head office, then they directly provide the bill of lading without sending a courier. Okay, but the custom document like a shipping bill and other invoice and packing list sent by the plant to the courier. So the setup document received at the head office, then we handle this activity of the submitting post shipment document to the bank to getting the inward remittance from the foreign currency from the foreign bank. Okay, so these are the procedure which handle by the head office. Okay, there are many type of activities divided in this, just like a billing sector, dispatching sector, and we can say procurement center sector like a purchase department. Okay, and dispatch department. So many kind of the department divided, and they are integrated to each other for framework the procedures which are integrated and influenced to getting the final objective of the company. Okay, so in this video we have understand the procedure, how will head office will handle its plant. Okay, so regarding this video, if you have any doubt, you can ask as a comments. Definitely I will answer. And in this slide there are some details mention of the export activity which you can see. Okay, so these are the procedure we have understand, and in next video we will understand more knowledge for the export and import. So please be with me in this please be with me for the next video. Thank you for watching this video.